Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders Weekly Forex Outlook. Who's speaking? It's Zweli. I hope you did have a good trading week. We're going to start with gold, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay? And do click that notification bell and set it to all so that you can get every video that we're going to send you every weekend, okay? The forecast, sometimes we can give you a daily update and see how the market is unfolding, okay? We're going to start with gold, what we are seeing on gold, okay? Right. Going to give you the 4-hour time frame. Remember, since we were looking for a down move, okay? Then the gold kept moving upside and aggressively. So if you were in the buy here, it's good for you if you took that trade, okay? The gold did come and expose or test this roof again. So now we are having a flat pattern, okay? This one too, we'll be expecting that tree even to break this floor, okay? So there's much more coming on gold that you need to focus on, okay? Then the price can even push higher a bit and give you another new roof, then down move again, okay? But do not anticipating that move. What you are looking for after getting that aggressive move on gold, we got the aggressive move that we were looking for all along, okay? So what you will need to do the coming week after getting this aggressive move, we've got this 1, 2, we expect this 3 to complete in itself, then you can take the trade here for a sell, okay? For you to take the sell, watch closely this flow that will be exposed, okay? If the market's going to give you this buy, you'll need to wait for aggressive move, then an aggressive correction here for you to take this up move. Then if it's going to give us another up move to come and expose this roof, then we'll be expecting a flat pattern here, guys, okay? For us to go up. But for now, we'll watch closely the setup that we are looking for from here, okay? We can take it from lower time frames such as 15 minutes, okay? Only you're going to look for in pulse here, a correction, then you can take the trade, okay? The correction, you need to get it from this zone above here, okay? Then a trade here again for you to watch closely this floor to be exposed. Then you'll be expecting a correction here for more downside, okay? Then if you don't see that more downside, then the market can push again up here to give you this flat pattern for a bigger uptrend, okay? So we'll be trading with cautious the coming weeks, okay? But look for a down move around this zone. Look for sell setups on this zone, guys, okay? So do trade with care on gold. We're going to our next pair, that will be silver. Right, on silver, what we are anticipating also, we were looking for the down move on silver, guys, okay? So what you'll need to do after getting this down move, you'll wait for this correction to complete on itself, because now we have 1, 2, we expect this 3, okay? On lower time frame, such as 15 minutes and 1 hour, expect an impulse here, a correction for you to take the trade, okay? If you don't see such here, then you'll take a trade below here, okay? Then expect an aggressive move around this zone. We'll look for a correction, okay? That correction will build you or give you that setup for you to take that drop, okay? Then we'll be watching closely this zone, okay? This zone, guys. We'll be watching this zone. We have that good trend line. Let me show you that trend line where we get it from, okay? We'll show you how we are trading on Rev Daily Traders, okay? That down move I showed you right now, it can come and test this roof, okay? if you get a down move to test this roof, we'll be looking for a breakout coming, getting again to this trend line, then a correction here, then we can get that drop again. Okay, that drop we will be expecting to break this floor, even this floor, to make the new floor here. Okay, so that down move will be a huge down move, guys. Okay, but if you see the market tends to be a corrective structure around here, then the buy will be considered. Okay, if you see a structure here building, then we'll be looking for a down move, but for now we'll be looking for this move. Okay, so do trade well on silver. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be DXY. Right, on DXY, what we are expecting on DXY, remember we were looking for a down move. Okay, that down move starting here. Okay, so now you can go to a lower time frame. There's a correction here. Let me show you. Let me zoom in our candles. Okay, there's a correction that we're expecting. Okay, then that correction, this correction, if it doesn't complete, then we'll get this move. Okay, then an up move again, come and take this roof for a new roof. Then from there you'll be looking for a down move, guys. Okay, so we'll be looking for a flat pattern here for us to correct, then take that up move again. Okay, let me show you a clear structure what we are talking about, because we were looking for this down move to happen, but the market went aggressively here. Okay, so watch closely this roof for you to take the drop, come and take here, then we can look for an up move. Okay, if you don't see that kind of structure, then expect a market to move slowly here and take around this roof. Okay, then from here we'll be looking for our down move again. So do trade while on DXY. Okay, then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Euro USD. Right, on Euro USD, similar to DXY. What we are anticipating at the current moment, we'll be watching closely this zone. Okay, if we get an up move to complete this 1, 2, 3, then a down move again. Okay, so if you go to a lower time frame such as 1 hour, you'll see how the setup is creating on itself. Okay, so we were looking for this down move to complete. If you are in sell here, do manage your trade well. We'll be watching this zone carefully. Okay, from here we'll be expecting a reversal pattern. Okay, and in pass a correction, come and take this trend line. Okay, we are expecting to get the touch around here. Then from here we'll be expecting the impulse, a correction, then a down move to complete this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll be biased to upside. From next week we'll look for our short buys. Okay, then if you don't see a reversal there around here, this zone, then do expect a correction here to give you a one more drop to break this floor. Okay, but we are not anticipating, but we are not also controlling the market. If you see such behavior on this market, we'll consider this short move. Okay, because there's more short on Euro USD, but not that more short. Okay, we'll see. Let me show you a bigger time frame, daily, and see why we are looking for that drop to be short. Right, on weekly time frame, there's a big bounce we got on Euro USD. Okay, if you can see here, we got this touch, we got this touch. So the market did come here again and take this flow. So now we'll be anticipating a buy from here, okay? But on lower time frame, there's a chance of getting a one more drop, come and take this floor, then a one more up move again that will be anticipating, okay? So after getting that drop, we'll be looking for a bigger up move, okay? We'll be watching that move on Euro USD. Then we'll go to pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar. Also on pound dollar, we'll start on bigger time frame and give you the bigger picture on pound dollar, why it's keeping dropping most of the time, okay? So we've got this good resistance here, okay? It was support here, then it came back to be a resistance, then came a support here, then it broke and came back again, broke and came back, then it stood here for a long time, then a down move, then it broke again, okay? So this zone, it's more significant for pound dollar. That's why we are having this bigger pattern for us to complete around this zone, okay? So we'll be watching for small shorts here or small drops, okay? Then we'll be looking for an up move here. Let me go to a lower time frame, a 4-hour time frame. Then if you are in drop or short on dollar, pound dollar, then do manage your trade well, okay? Then we got another chance for you to take that drop. So now what you will be looking for, you'll be looking for a reversal here, okay? For you to be sure of the pound dollar to be more bias or the bias are powerful, then you'll expect a structure above this trend line, okay? Then you can take that buy. So you can stay away for now and expect this up move to happen, okay? That aggressive move to happen, then expect that correction above there, okay? So we'll be biased to upside on pound dollar the coming week, okay? So do trade well on pound dollar, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair. That will be NZD USD. Right, on NZD USD, let's go to a weekly time frame and see how the market is doing there, okay? We haven't changed anything at the current state, okay? We are still in this deeper correction, okay? This deeper correction, we'll see how it's unfolding. If you are getting this buy to come and take again this roof, then a drop again, okay? So we'll be monitoring every wave or pattern that we're going to get on NZD USD. Let's go to a lower time frame and see how the market is unfolding there. Right, at the current state, there were good shorts on NZD USD, okay? So we'll be expecting this move to happen, then expect again for a reversal for an up move here, okay? If you don't see that reversal, then an aggressive move will happen there, okay? But for you to take that drop, we'll expect again to break here, then a corrective structure here for you to break this floor. Then we'll be having a new floor, then you can take that buy, okay? The big buy. So for next week, do expect a trade of short, okay? And a correction here for you to take one more drop, okay? This can tend to be a bigger correction for you to take a buy. So we'll be monitoring every move here, guys, okay? But expect a correction next week, then one more drop, then watch closely this flow, okay? If you get a breakout or a reversal for upside, we'll update you. We'll make time for you guys to, because you are good subscribers. So we will be updating you on how you're going to trade on NZD USD. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Aussie dollar. Right, on Aussie dollar, also we are looking for a drop, okay? A big drop that we are expecting on Aussie dollar. Right. We've got that correction, okay? So now we expect the market to come and take this zone. Then after that, expect another correction to break this pink zone, okay? Then an aggressive move to go down stronger. Then if you get an up move here in a correction, then you can get the market to come and take this roof, but we are not anticipating that move. We are biased to downside on Aussie dollar. So we'll be looking for our short position or our setup on Aussie dollar, guys, okay? Please do subscribe to our channel and do share our video, guys, okay? Then go to our next pair, that will be USD CAD. Right, on USD CAD, we were looking for our up move from this zone, okay? Then we got on lower time frame and setup. Then we got another pullback here for us to take that buy, okay? So after breaking this roof, there was a chance of bigger correction here for us to go more upside, okay? So watch closely for next week, this correction. We are looking for buy on USD CAD, okay? So what you need to do, you need to go to a lower time frame such as 1 hour, guys, okay? And look for good trades on dollar CAD. So we were looking for a buy around here, guys, okay? After getting that impulse and correction, we did have our limit here for us to take that buy, but we didn't get that buy. Then the market went short. If you went short, to manage your trade well, the market can move slowly here, give a ending diagonal impulse here, a correction, then a up move, okay? We are still biased to upside on dollar CAD, right? Look for buy on dollar CAD. Then if you are looking for a drop on dollar CAD, expect this to be a correction, guys, okay? Then watch this floor to be tagged, then you can look for a buy around that zone, okay? So do trade with care on dollar CAD. We'll go to our next pair. That will be dollar yen. Right, on dollar yen, we've got this buy, aggressive buy, guys, okay? If you got the buy here, you should manage your trade. We've got another setup here, guys, okay? Got another setup for you to take that buy. We're expecting the price to come and take that zone. So now what you need to do, we'll wait for, but it's risky to buy on this price, okay? Wait for that correction. Wait for this correction to happen, then that up move. Then our focus now will be this down move. Dollar yen is preparing for that drop, guys, okay? Why I'm saying that drop, if you are new to our channel, I'll give you a bigger picture why we are saying we're looking for a drop, okay? We are looking for a drop because of we are in this ending diagonal, okay? We are in this big rising wedge. So from here, we'll be watching for our down setups, okay? Impulse, correction, come and break this trend, a correction again, then a drop. A big drop is coming on dollar yen. But if this is going to give you a corrective structure, we can have that one more up move, then a drop again, okay? We'll not consider that buy we are looking for. Oh, this is a daily time frame, guys, okay? if it's giving us a corrective structure, that means we're going to stay here for longer like this, okay? Similar to this setup, okay? But we be expecting a drop on dollar yen, okay? So do trade with care on dollar yen. Then we'll go to our next pair. Our next pair will be dollar chief. On dollar chief, also guys, we were looking for up moves on dollar chief, okay? Right, we got this correction that we took for buy, okay? So if you are not in the buy, let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame, guys, and give you good setup on dollar chief. Right. You see this? This was a good buy for you to take that buy from there, okay? This was a buy also. Then we got a smaller correction here, guys, okay? Right. If you are in buy on dollar chief, do manage your trade well, because we are expecting the price to give us or tag this zone. Then from here, we'll be expecting a bigger correction, come and tag this zone. Then we can buy again on dollar chief, okay? So do trade with care. We are still biased on upside, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair. That will be our last pair, dollar ZAR. Right, on dollar ZAR, guys, what we are expecting, let's go to a 4-hour time frame and see the structure that we are anticipating, okay? Why are we looking for this drop, guys? I'll show you a bigger time frame why we're looking for this drop now, okay? Let's go to a lower time frame and check a bigger time frame and check why we are anticipating that drop on dollar ZAR. Right, we've got a trend that is going down since this down move, okay? We've got the 2 points from this candles, okay? Got these 2 points that gives us a trend line, okay? Then we got a break here. Then this is our correction, okay, guys? Then we are anticipating for us to come and take this zone. Then we can look for our buying again on dollar ZAR, because this will complete a 1, 2, 3 structure, okay? If you get a complete flag here or a correction, then it will give us this buy, okay? So do trade with care on dollar ZAR, but on lower time frame, such as 1 hour, we'll be looking for that drop, guys. So watch closely how the market's going to unfold on dollar ZAR. Watch for a correction to complete there, then you can take that drop. Watch for this correction. For this correction to complete, then you can take that drop. We'll be biased to downside for now. Then from here, we'll be expecting a reversal pattern. Okay, guys? This is going to give you a good run upside. Okay?